Researching how to build your credit score? Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV. This video is the first video in a 4-part series of videos regarding how to build your credit score. I'll be sure to keep the videos nice and short so we can get straight to the point regarding how to build your credit score. As a matter of fact, the information I'm about to share with you has allowed me to go from 518 to 754 in regards to my credit score. So this information is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything, just your time, and just watch the video. So it's pretty straightforward. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, so a little over 4 years ago, my credit score was pretty horrible. It was around 518. I don't remember exactly what it was because I try to forget when my credit score is that bad. So what I'm gonna share in this series of videos is basically the steps I took to get my credit score from 518 to what it is right now, which is 754, okay? So the first thing you wanna do when you're learning how to build your credit score is you wanna get a copy of your credit report. And the credit report, you should be able to get a copy of this free. One of the websites that I like to use to get my credit report is annualcreditreport.com. It is absolutely free. Make sure you don't pay for anything. Don't pay for your credit score because that's also free somewhere else. But the thing is, make sure you go to the site annualcreditreport.com and get your credit report for free. The reason why we want to get our credit report is just so that we're in the know. The more information you have about your credit, the more likely you will be able to improve your credit score and build your credit score. So that's the purpose of these videos, right? So you definitely want to get a copy of your credit score for free, and you definitely want to look at it and make sure that everything that's on your credit report is absolutely your information. And you want to make sure there's no accounts on there that you don't own. And if there is, you definitely want to dispute that. And when you dispute that, when it comes off of your credit report, more than likely it will increase your credit score. So this is very crucial. You just want to get a copy of your credit report so that you know exactly what's going on and you're just kind of verifying that this is you and these are your accounts. Once you get a copy of your credit report, you want to find out your credit score, okay? I personally use apps like Credit Karma, and I also use NerdWallet. You can go online, and these guys have websites, but I just use the app because it's just way more convenient. And once again, this service is absolutely free. Don't pay for anything. Just sign up. You're gonna have to go to the website. You're gonna have to put your information in, put your birthday, social, all that. And then you're gonna have to also verify that this is you. So they'll ask questions that are specific to you. They'll say, out of these 4 addresses, which one of these addresses are you familiar with? And so one of the address will probably be, somewhere that you've lived in the past, or it'll ask a question about a car that you've owned or a car that you currently own. And so you'll basically be able to verify the information. It's pretty straightforward. And so after you do that, like I said, you just want to get a copy of your credit score. You want to be able to know what your credit score is, because basically with Credit Karma and NerdWallet, you're able to log into the app or the website and your credit score is updated like every 7 days. So the purpose of getting a copy of your credit report and finding out your credit score is just so that we're in the know and we're very informed as to what makes up our credit score, which I will talk more about in the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna keep it nice and short. Get a copy of your credit report and get access to your credit score so that you can check it and be familiar with what's going on. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. All right, until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.